Hello there, welcome to this channel. In this video, I show you how to create a custom alert with animations using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. A short demo of what we will create. In this input, you can enter anything except number sign. When you enter the number sign which is not allowed, here you get a custom alert which is wrong input. The character number sign is not allowed. When you click on OK, it goes away. Let us jump to the code. Open File Explorer and create a new folder. Custom alert with animations using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can name it whatever you want. Open the new folder in Visual Studio Code. Create here 3 files. Index.html, style.css, app.js. Ctrl B to close the Explorer. Use exclamation mark to generate the basic stuff. Enter. Change the title. Custom alert. JavaScript. Link here your style. Link and then the name of your CSS file. Link also your JavaScript file using script tag. Script source app.js. Save it. First an h1 just for the title. Use break tag to jump to the next line. Creating custom alert with animations using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Open here a section for the custom alert. Give it a class. Custom alert container. Paragraph element for the title. Custom alert title. We want this to be also bold. HR for creating a line under the title. Then a paragraph for the description. Custom alert description. And then a button for dismissing the alert or for closing the alert. OK. Class custom alert action. On click, we create a function for this. Dismiss alert. Save it. Let's see how it looks like. I use live server to open this page. If you don't have live server extension, you can go to the extension. If you type here live server, the live server extension shows up and then you can install it and use it. Then click on go live to display the web page. Now it looks like this. We want it to look like this one. So we don't need this. Open the style CSS. Body font family, I like Verdana. Tahuma and Arial. Marja 0. Go to the index.html. Here open a div element. For example, enter your name. Give it a class LBL for label and then bold. Input type text. On input, handle input and pass this. This means that you pass this element. And in this HTML element, there are many attributes and properties that you can use in your function inside JavaScript. Now it looks like this. Input margin top 10 pixels, width 300 pixels, height 30 pixels, font size 20 pixels, and then for the label LBL and the input you want to give both of them margin left 10 pixels. Then the bold class, font weight bold, style for the h1, padding top and bottom 20 pixels, right and left 0, text align center, line height 53 pixels, background teal, color white, sign number FFF, Save it. Very nice. Copy the class name. So the custom alert position absolute. By default top minus 100%, left 50%, width 300 pixels, padding 10 pixels, height auto, bokeh shadow x0, y0, blur 11 pixels, spreading 5 pixels, and the color gray, but less gray. Click here to change it to hex color. Transform translate minus 50% for the x and then also minus 50% for the y to make it come always at the center. Background color white, border radius 5 pixels, and then transition, the transition property top and the transition duration 2 seconds. Float right to make it jump to the right. Margin top 20 pixels, margin bottom 10 pixels. Background color RGB 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 5. Make it local like hex color. Color white. Border radius 3 pixels. Padding top and bottom 5 pixels. Right and left 9 pixels. Cursor pointer, border none, outline none. Jump to app.js, const alert box, document.query selector dot this element, Control C, Control V, function, handle, input, target, another function, dismiss alert, another function, set alert content, the title and the description, so that you programmatically can pass any title and any description. Get the title paragraph, title element, document dot query selector, custom alert, title, Control C, Control V, description element, change this from title to description. So if title element and the title, you can say title element dot either HTML or text content to the title. So the title should not be empty and you should have the title element. Otherwise, if you want to set the inner HTML of null, you will get error. So same thing for description, change this to description. So here we check like handling the input. We want that the input should not contain some special characters. Target.value.includes. For example, this character, we set the content of the alert and we display the alert. So set alert content, the title, wrong input, and for the description, and then alert box dot style top 50%. When you want to dismiss the alert, is the same, we set it back to its original value, which is minus 100%. Let us check it out. So entering anything, but if you enter this, it should come down and say you are not allowed to enter this character. And if you click on OK, it should go back like that. That's it, guys. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully see you in the next video.